All right, welcome to this module. In this module, we'll be talking about how to set up a professional Facebook business page, right? Not just anyhow page, but a professional Facebook business page. And to do that, first we will need to know how to spy on our competitors. All right, we need to do that. We'll talk on that. Then also we'll talk about creating a Facebook page from scratch, writing an optimized page description, adding important description to your page, and also how to get a unique Facebook page username and other best practices. Right. So if you already have a professional Facebook page, you can skip to the next video. But if you don't, just stick around and try to learn one or few things. Alright, so let's go straight to creating our Facebook or business page. Alright, so the first thing, once you log in on your page, right, you click this plus sign. So once you sign in your account, you click this plus sign, whether you're signing in from a desktop or your laptop. Click this plus sign. Once you click this sign, you see this drop down menu. So you scroll down and select page, create page. Alright, so once you select create page, this interface will show up. Alright, so this interface will show. So we enter our our username, our Facebook name, sorry, which is a Classy Boutique. Then enter your category. So I think we have only three maximum. That's the maximum we can select. Right, you type in, then you type your description here, then you add your profile picture. Alright, so now we're going to add our profile picture. Let's see, add profile. Okay, add profile picture. Let's add profile picture. So for our profile picture, we'll be using the logo we design. Hope you remember the logo we design. So that's what we'll be using as our profile picture. So this is it. Alright, so we'll be using this. Okay, so that's what we'll be using as our profile picture. So you can see it's already showing. And also these are our the banner we design. If you remember, this is the banner we design. Alright, so you save. After uploading them, you save. So alright, so we are done with that part now. This is our Facebook page up and running. Alright, so the next thing we want to do now is we want to spy on our competitors to know what they are doing well and what they are not doing well. Right, so that's the best way to do it. You need to spy, see how they set their own up and all that. So we're going to be doing that now. Still need to sign in. And please don't forget, if you are running a personal business or brand, please don't use a logo. Use your profile picture. Use your normal picture. Alright, try and always use your normal picture if you are running your own business, your own brand. Okay, that's that. Alright, so we'll come here and search for, go to this search bar on Facebook and type boutique. Type boutique, search for boutique. Right, so we want to spy another business and we want to know what they are doing well and what they are not doing well, so we know how to model our own page. Right, So it's still loading. Actually, still loading, still loading. Still loading. Okay, it's up now. So once you type, you come down to this filter, you click on pages. Alright, so we have one boutique here, Jam Boutique. Let's open it in a new tab. Collection Boutique. Okay, let's open a new tab. I need the one with, okay, this one now boutique. This one has many followers. Let's choose this. Let's select this one with many followers. Alright. What is that? Which one is it? Guess Island Boutique. Okay, let's check these ones out first. Let's check them out first. So they're still loading. Okay, let's check this one out too. Okay, so this is their own profile, this is their own cover photo. Alright, this is their username, this is their own button, shop now. Alright, so this is their own information. There's their about us, right? Their phone number, their website URL, their email address. This is their category. Okay, so we have to model one like this too. So let's check this one out too. Collection Boutique. Alright, shop now. That is the own button. Okay, this is about us, brief information. Right, so this is their URL, their website URL. Okay, right, let's search this one. This is another one. So they added what's it called? Map. Yeah, map. They added map to their own page, so you can easily reach them. Alright, using this map. Okay, they have okay. Okay, that's that. Let's check this one out. Okay, this last one. Okay, so this last one is not responding. So that's how you do it, guys. So you need to check on your competitors, whether you're into the fashion industry, the baking industry, the health or beauty industry, whatever industry you are into. Make sure you come on Facebook, search for pages offering same service as yours. Then you try and look at what they are doing. Alright, that's how to do it. So in the next video, I'll be telling us how to upload more content. We need to add button, we need to add URL and other information. So in the next video, I'll show you how to do that. Thank you very much.